Welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Massanutten Resort opening up EMI Vanda. Let's start opening her. Say please. Is that now? Let's get her out. Come on, EMI Vanda, you can get out. Ooh, look what we have. We got her out. Now, here she is. Here has the toy EMI Vanda look from Rainbow High. That's her jacket, her dress, and her boots. Oh, let's get her out. Ooh, she's so pretty. Feel her hair. It's so moisturized. Let's sit her down. So here how she looks. Look at her. And we have her cute little skirt, her jacket, boots is already on. So now let's start unboxing her other clothes. Let's start with her other clothes first, not the shoe. Oh, look what we got. So we have, let's get it out. So let's see what she has. So let's see. Now let's get it out. Oh, we got some of the clothes out, so let's do the pants first. Let's get that pants out. The pants out. Come on. So we almost got it out. Oh, we're gonna have to get it with some. Look at this cute little black skirt. Isn't it cute? So now let's get this. Let's see if there's any shirt under it. There's a shirt under it. Look at this cute little shirt. It says rainbow on it. And here's the jacket. Making sure there's no more left. Nope. And here's the jacket. It says rainbow 2. Let's get the shoes out. Oh my god! Look at these cute little awesome fly amazing shoes. They're so fly. I never seen like shoes so beautiful like this. I like golden heels. We're talking about her. I like this like cute little long sleeve shirt. She came with the cutest clothes, and these boots that go above her knees are so nice. So guys, check this out. So I hope you like this video of me unboxing Rainbow High Series 3 EMI Vanda. Make sure to like and subscribe and press that thumbs up and watch more videos. Bye.